Hey guys, I'm Jamie and this is Pelican Unlocked, where we take a deep dive into all things Pelican. Today it's all about our Pelican Air TRVL series, the 1535, 1595, and 1615 TRVL. These have been designed with versatility in mind. Whether you need a case that can carry your luggage, or it needs to carry your equipment, or both, these are the best case for that mission. The Pelican Air TRVL cases come in three unique sizes, ranging from our 1535 carry-on size, the 1595, which is a check-in case that's slightly larger than the 1535, and then you have your 1615 Air TRVL case. That's our largest check-in size case before you start to incur fees. In terms of overall dimensions, the 1535 Air TRVL is roughly 22 inches long, 14 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. The 1595 is 29 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 11 inches deep. And then the largest 1615 Air TRVL is 33 inches long, 19 inches wide, and 11 inches deep. In terms of what's included with the Pelican Air TRVL series, you get the built-in lid organizer, 2 packing cubes, and the TSA key for your locks. And all three of the cases include a built-in trolley handle and wheels for easy transport. Beyond that, they share a lot of similarities with our Pelican Air cases, including the HPX2 lightweight construction, crush-proof exterior, built-in O-ring in the lid to make the case waterproof and dustproof. It's got the press and pull latches for easy operation, automatic pressure equalization valve, stainless steel padlock protectors, and the overmold rubber handles for easy grip in wet and dry conditions. And like all Air cases, they're manufactured right here in the US with a limited lifetime warranty. They come in 4 unique colors, including oxblood red, indigo, graphite, and black. So when you're packing for your next adventure, if you need a versatile case that can carry your gear or your clothes, look no further than the Pelican Air TRVL series. And as always, if you're looking to protect your gear, put it in a Pelican.